Welcome to Chapter 7, Division Factors and Strategies. Today, we have to work in Lesson 7.1, and Lesson 7.1 topic is divide by 2. And reading the essential question, what does dividing by 2 mean? We have to unlock the problem. So let's read the problem first. There are 10 hummingbirds and 2 feeders in Marisa's backyard. If there are an equal number of birds at each feeder, how many birds are at each one? So now that we have the problem, we have to check the information that we have on the blue box. And we have 3 different bullets. The first one says, what do you need to find? That's important. When we have that question, we go to the problem and we have to identify the question. How many birds are at each one? Then the second bullet says, circle the numbers you need to use. So we have to circle the numbers. So we have number 10, that's right. And the other number that we have is number 2. Yes, you're great. So the third bullet says, what can you use to solve the problem? And to solve the problem, we use a strategy that we practiced before. And that strategy is making equal groups and using counters. So right now we have to erase this. And we have to work in activity 1. Because we need to solve the problem. So activity 1, we use counters to find how many in each group. So we need to use counters, and the math board, it's where we're going to draw. So we use 10 counters. We have to draw 2 circles. We have circle number 1 and we have circle number 2. And now inside each circle, we have to place 1 counter at a time until all 10 counters are used. So that's good. So we have 1, 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have all the counters and we divide them into equal groups. So how many counters we have in all? We have 10. How many equals? We have 2 equal groups. How many counters are in each group? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. So now we're going to erase this. We have to scroll down a little bit. And now we have the dividend. That's 10 divided by 2. That's the divisor, equals 5. That's a quotient. So there are 5 counters in each of the 2 groups. So there are 5 hummingbirds at the feeder. Thank you for watching.